two guests. Bye. And what happened? Our guest here.
Move!
Ay, ako lang po, Ande.
Ay, ako lang, please. Hindi ko na mag-vlog slime.
Oh! I'll be showing you our slime. Okay.
So, Sam will introduce first her slime coming from.
This is my slime. It's called Unicorn Green Slime.
So, please open it up.
And my slime. It's so satisfying and you can cook it properly. So yeah. You can make bubble in it. So thank you.
Next,
This is my slime. And it is dirty.
what's the name?
This is my slime. The name is sticky.
Look at it. It's so satisfying.
Let's
If you
see.
judge me, then okay, goodbye.
Fine.
Okay. Hey guys, it's my
Grab
slime.
it.
It's milk slime because it kind of looks like milk. So the end.
Next. Woo! Next na.
The one is sticky one.
Okay, speak now only there because you're shy.
Yeah, he's shy. Just introduce your slime.
This is my slime.
What's the name?
And
My slime.
That's the same as my name.
we have two cutie guests. It's all. This is
See,
Bluetooth. Say hi.
and Shokai.
And Shukai.
Yokai.
Okay, don't allow your face.
And they're so cute. Okay.
They're so cute. Then I will punch them one day.
They are our guest friends. So yeah.
So comment down below and subscribe to the channel.
And comment below.
Oh, it's done. And subscribe to the channel again. Like this video and give it a thumbs up and
See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, Joshua.